Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and today I'm back to share more of my Black Friday crafty hauls. So, a couple of things have come in. Not that much. I still have, well, not that much, but I still have a couple things that I'm waiting to get. So when they show up, I'll go ahead and share that with you. And remember, everything I do, I am showing. I will eventually, hopefully, if all goes well, do a demo of recent hauls and what they look like stamped out or die cut or whatever. But right now, I just am super busy getting a couple really big swaps out. And my daughter had a dance performance today at a carnival. It was super cold and is a drag. Trying to get my Christmas tree up. So a lot of things are happening. So I just have not been having the time, but let me share with you what I got from HSN. So HSN, Polka Doodles, I think contracts out with LDRS, the little darling rubber stamp company, or Rubber Creative, or whatever they are. That place that we get all of the cheap dies when they go on sale. But they work with HSN and with Polka Doodle, so they have things that are only available mostly through HSN. And so they have a whole bunch of gnome stuff. And this year, the gnome for Christmas is big. And I honestly didn't realize that HSN was putting this stuff out because I was seeing that other people were getting really cool Winnie things that I hadn't seen even in the UK. And they are only available in HSN. So these were all on sale. And so these come in a pack. So this pack, I think, came with these 3 stamp sets. So I got Christmas Love, which this one really I think could be a winter one too. Christmas Love. This one is Peace and Joy. And then this is a really cool one. This one's called Winter Wishes, but you get all these stamps all separate. They're cut already for you to be used. And then the second set that I bought is this one, which is No More Waiting. Very cute. Christmas Gifts. And Bauble Fun. And then I also got from HSN this one that I've been wanting for a while. And this one is a mini Winnie, and it's called some kind of shopping, or Girls Just Want to Have Fun is what it's called. So you get the stamp set and you get dies, which is really cool because a lot of her things are in rubber and not clear. So it's pretty cool there in clear, and then you get the dies. And then it also came with this, which I didn't realize that it came with, which is a stamping mask paper. So I guess you can stamp on it and cut it out and put the mask over it, and you can create more dimensional stuff. Okay. Sorry. The next thing I'm going to share with you guys is from Lil Inker Designs, and I believe the sale was 40% off, I want to say. I think it was 40%. 30%, maybe it was 30%. I can't remember if it was 30 or 40%, somewhere in there, off the price. And then you also got a free gift as you spent over $75, which I did. So let me show you what I got, and then I'll show you the free gift I picked. So I didn't get a lot of stamp sets. I got this one, which is called, I don't know. I actually have the printout somewhere. Or not. I did. I think it's called Apple of My Eye. I think that's what this one's called. Oh, here it is. That one is called Apple of My Eye stamps. And the regular price for it's $10. So it was on sale. I really wanted it for the For a Great Teacher, and thank you for helping me grow. For a Great Teacher is a great general sentiment for teacher cards. And then this one just looks really cool. It's an ornament stamp, but it's a double stamp. So you stamp this one first, and then this one is an overlay on top of it, and it creates kind of these little lines in the word, and it just looks really cool. So this is something you definitely need, like some kind of stamp positioner to use. But it looked really cool, and the examples look really cool. And then I got a bunch of dies, including a die I already have and didn't realize originally came from this company because I don't order from them very often. I think I've only purchased once or twice from them. And I'll share that with you. This is called the Scallop Folding Tag Die. A little bit of a splurge, but since I was reaching the $75 mark and I wanted to get the free stamp set, I went ahead and got this one. Kind of had my eye on a couple ones that are similar to this one. I got this mitten die. Now these are designed, this one's designed to be a shaker, and I think it's even called mitten shaker die set. But obviously you can use them separate. They come with little parts to customize the mitten. It's very cute. Not real big. I think big enough for a card. And then this is a tag die, which also can be used as a shaker. It's called a shaker tag die. But you also can use it separately. It's not required to use it only as a shaker. And then it has a pretty cool topper, which I actually really liked the topper, I think, at the time. It's kind of a cool topper there. So got that one. And then I got this apple shaker die. And I know it's probably smaller. It doesn't come with as many pieces as the Lawn Fawn one, but I think it's a little bit more economical for me anyways. It's economical. I can still do the shaker effect, or I can just use the apple if I want. And the same with the tree. It's a tree shaker die. It's really fun. Then this one says Jolly word die. This is the one that I already shared in another video that I had gotten overseas, and I bought it again. So yay me, something I bought already. I like it that much. I bought it twice. So Noel. So I already showed that with you for you guys already. This is a happy birthday. It's one of these ones that just goes right across the card. So I got that. And then these are pretty cool. So these are those dies, and you can use this as a shaker as well, or just as a sentiment, or just as the front of a card. But this one says Merry and Bright, and it cuts the square and the words. So all this other part is cut away. So it leaves you with really kind of a fun look and like a window almost. But this one says Merry and Bright. This one says So Very Kind. To be good for thank you cards. And then the free stamp set that I chose was this one, which is it called Glad Tidings? Not sure. This was, I know why, because some of these things that I got were on clearance and some of them were not in clearance. But this one was in clearance and I got it for free. I'm not sure what it's called, but it was in the clearance section. So, gosh, what am I waiting for? Did I buy anything from Alt New? I don't think I bought anything from Alt New, but I bought something from, one of the other ones. And so I probably have about 4 companies I'm still waiting for. So hopefully, and I'm also waiting for my Spellbinders dies, because I guess since I joined the club at the end of the month, they don't ship it till the end of the month. So I see everybody else using their stuff, and I don't get mine until hopefully Monday or Tuesday, my Spellbinders die kit. So I'm waiting for that also. And I think that's the only subscription I have right now. So anyway, I got to get back to, it's really late here. It's 10 o'clock. So I need to get back to, I got to put away the dance stuff, and I got to work on my swap. I have my niece coming at 8 a.m. tomorrow. She's 5 years old, and she has ballet pictures. So I'm doing her hair and her little light makeup and everything tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. And my dad's birthday's tomorrow. He turns 70, so I got that going on. We're having a little party for him in the afternoon. I need to wrap some presents because everything came this week that I bought on Black Friday, and I just threw it all in my spare room. We call it the playroom. Because of the dog, that's where I'm going to actually put up our Christmas tree this year, so he doesn't like kill it and die and eat it or whatever. So we're gonna put it in that back room. And I unboxed everything took like an hour to unbox, cut down the boxes, throw away all the trash, and sort everything that I got for the children and for my nieces and nephews. So I have that to get done before the kids come. So I have a lot to do. I mean, a lot. So I need to get working on it. And if you don't hear from me, I am crafting like a maniac. Everybody who won a prize, I'm going to be packing that up tomorrow as well. And I plan on going to the post office on Monday. I'm hoping to be able to ship everything out on Monday. If not, then I will ship the rest out on Tuesday or Wednesday. Maybe Wednesday. I don't know. But by the end of the week, everything will be shipped. So be looking for that. If you ask for a Christmas card, then I will start doing those in little waves as I have time, like during my lunch at work. I'll address cards and I will put stamps on them, and I'll probably mail them from work unless they're international. And so those will be coming in waves as well. So I'm going to be doing that. So be looking in the mail. I don't know exactly when for the Christmas cards, but they will be sent. And if I find that I have some extra stamps or whatever, then other people who've left comments who think that, I reached my limit, then I might reach out to you and let you know that I'd like to send you a card. So be aware of that. That sometimes happens spontaneously. And as far as I know, everything has been claimed. But if I find once I've packed everything that I've got winners who have not claimed their stuff, then I'll come back on and we could talk about that. But in the meantime, I think a lot of people have claimed stuff. It's been pretty good. So I think that's all the news and all the catch-up stuff. If you have any questions about any of the prizes or anything else, let me know. Want to know anything about the stuff I bought, then let me know that as well. If you stuck around to all the rambling, thank you so much. And I will be back very soon with more crafty projects. Thank you. Bye-bye.